Ever wish you could hop in a time machine? But instead of going back to meet dinosaurs, we'll be using it for something more practical. We're going back in time to see what the Google search results page actually looked like for your keyword, say, a couple months ago. Hey, I'm Jacob from DataForSEO, and today I'm going to show you how to literally rewind Google search results using DataForSEO API. Spoiler, it's way easier than operating a real-time machine. So, hit like, subscribe, and let's jump in before I break the space-time continuum. Basically, historical SERP data is a snapshot of the Google results page at a specific point in the past. Not just rankings, but also which URLs were dominating, what feature snippets were there, which ads showed up, and how many other rich SERP features pushed everyone down. Why does this matter? Because rankings alone don't tell you why your performance changed. If Google added a new SERP feature, or your competitors launched ads, your organic position might stay the same, but your CTR could tank. Historical SERP data reveals the context behind those numbers. Google Search Console is great, but pretty limited for this kind of analysis since it only shows your site's rankings. It's like watching a football game, but the camera only points at one player the entire time. You can't see how competitors ranked, what SERP features or ads were present. So if you're trying to understand what really happened and what influenced clicks, rankings, or traffic, you're missing half the story. To run a real retrospective analysis, you need comprehensive SERP snapshots. However, storing and maintaining this data requires major resources, which is why most SEO tools don't offer it. Our API does. At DataForSEO, we're all about SEO and marketing data, but every now and then, we accidentally build a time machine. One of our most popular models is the Historical SERPs endpoint inside the DataForSEO Labs API. With this solution, you can retrieve full SERP snapshots from our database going back an entire year. Working with the historical SERPs is incredibly straightforward. You can send a simple API call, for instance, in Postman, entering your keyword, location, language, and the time range you want. Add your API login and password here, hit send, and you'll receive detailed SERP data from each available month based on your time range. The API response hands you everything that was there: ads, organic results, local packs, and more. You'll even get two ranking metrics: rank absolute, where something really sat on the page, counting every SERP element; rank group, where it ranked among its own category of results: organic, paid, local pack, etc. This data allows you to see exactly how the page structure influenced your visibility and traffic. And as you can see, using our API is not nearly as complex as using a time machine. Historical SERP data really shines in two big areas. First, rank analysis. DataForSEO's Historical SERPs API basically lets you build your own time-traveling SEO dashboard. You can explore how ranking shifts affected traffic, see which SERP features appeared and stole clicks, and check which of URLs ended up in rich results. This data helps you understand what actually moved the needle so you can double down on what worked and fix what didn't. Second, competitor research. You're not limited to your own SEO history. Our API lets you hop into your competitors' timelines too. With the Historical SERPs endpoint, you can see how competitors moved month by month, which of their pages earned rich results, and what content helped them climb. Google Search Console won't ever show you your competitor performance. So this perspective is only available through a reliable third-party data provider like DataForSEO. And here's why this data is so valuable. Once you see how your competitors actually earn their wins, you can reverse engineer their strategy to achieve even better results. Now let's talk about where you can actually use this data. And the short answer is pretty much anywhere. If you're building an SEO tool, you can easily integrate structured responses from our API using our ready-made client libraries and instantly give every new user a full ranking history from day one. Working in Airtable or Google Sheets, you can pull historical SERPs directly with these tools to build your own time-traveling dashboard. No coding required. We have native integrations. More of an automation person? You can also build custom workflows based on past insights with the DataForSEO app on Make, Zapier, or our community node in Edit-In. Another spoiler, Cloud Edit-In node coming soon. So, wherever you want your SEO time machine to run, our API is ready to power it. You might think time traveling through Google's old results would cost a fortune, but it's actually very affordable. When you make API requests, you pay per every historical SERP. Let's say you want data for 1,000 keywords across 10 months. The math looks like this. Yep, 10 months of ranking movements, SERP features, competitor position shifts, the whole story, for a single dollar. Time travel has never been this budget friendly, I'm telling you. Alright, we've officially traveled through time, explored old SERPs, uncovered competitor secrets, mapped ranking shifts, and even learned it all costs less than a vending machine snack. If you want to put this into practice, create an account, it's free. Head to the DataForSEO API Explorer and try the Historical SERPs endpoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and ring the bell to stay with us in the next timeline. Happy time traveling. That's right, happy time traveling. I can put on, happy time traveling. I don't know. Gosh, why is that so dope? I'm tired from pressing buttons.